Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks right here on Mitrade. And if you want to buy stocks, it's quite simple and I recommend you to do this because if you go right here to market, you see right here a more specific search option, because right now if you go right here to shares, you will find right here all the stocks that you can trade right here on Mitrade. So they call it shares, but shares is exactly the same as stocks. And right now you can choose right here what you want to trade. So let's say we want to trade Adobe, click on Adobe. And then right here you can buy yourselves the position, and if you double click on Adobe you will find right here Adobe on the chart. Then if you want to buy this, click on buy, select right here for how many lots you want to buy, so let's do 1, and then click right here on buy. And then right now if you can see, we just bought ourselves a position on Adobe. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on Mitrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.